Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to multiply all the items in a dictionary. So let us start this with the program. Here, this line, a function named multiply values is defined. It takes one parameter, dictionary, which is expected to be a dictionary containing numerical values. Here, this is a docstring, a multi-line comment which documents the purpose and the usage of the function. And here, the input to the function is a dictionary containing the numerical values, and it returns either an int or a float representing the product of all the values in the dictionary. Now, in the next line here, a variable named result is initialized to the value 1. This is because 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplying any number by 1 does not change the number, and iterate over dictionary values. Now, for the next line here, a for loop is used to iterate through all the values in the dictionary. The method dictionary.values retrieves a collection of all the values in the dictionary. For example, if a dictionary consists as the values A to 5 and B to 10, then the dictionary.values returns 5 and 10. Now for the next line here, this is shorthand for result. The loop multiplies each value in the dictionary with the current value of the result. Now, for the next line here, after the loop completes, the final product of all the value is returned. As in the example, the function will return all the multiplicative of the items. Now, for the next line here, a dictionary named MyDictionary is defined. It contains 3 key value pairs as A, B and C and their values 5, 10 and 2. Now for the next line here, the function multiply values is called with MyDictionary as its argument, and the function calculates the product of all the values as 5 into 10 into 2 and returns the result. Now for the last line here, this line prints the value of total product using an F string for formatting. So let's check its output. Hence, the product of all the values in the dictionary is 100. So thanks for watching this video.